नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? ऑल आर फाइन, हैप्पी इन हाउस, डूइंग होमवर्क प्रॉपर, गुड. Read proper also. Whenever you free, try to read the book. How much you will read, your reading practice will be good, huh? Okay children, so today we will start our new lesson, lesson 5. Okay, what is the lesson name? Half per. य पे आ की मात्रा या, र पे ए की मात्रा रे, प्यारे. ब हाफ च, फुल च एंड ए की मात्रा. चे बच्चे, प्यारे बच्चे. ओके, प्यारे मीन्स लवली, प्यारे मीन्स लवली. बच्चे मीन्स चिल्ड्रन, बच्चे मीन्स चिल्ड्रन, स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन लाइक यू ऑल आर बच्चे. ओके, girl, boy, all are small children, that is बच्चे, प्यारे बच्चे, lovely children. This is a poem. I'll read and I will translate for you. You also read with me, okay, and listen carefully also. न हाफ न, ह पे ए की मात्रा है, नन्हे. न हाफ न, ह पे ए की मात्रा है, नन्हे. सी, नन्हे pronunciation, because half na, how you have to pronounce? नन्हे नन्हे. हाफ प या रे, प्यारे, because half pa and ya is there, so pa you have to say very fast and ya you have to put pressure. प्यारे, same thing. ब हाफ च, फुल च, ए की मात्रा, बच्चे. नन्हे नन्हे प्यारे बच्चे means little little lovely children, small small lovely children. सबकी आंखों के तारे means, आंखों के तारे means star of eyes, means everyone like small children. Okay, so सबकी आंखों के तारे means everyone like small children. सच बोलते प्यारे बच्चे, lovely children, cute children, always they say truth, they never say lie. Okay, always they say truth. कहना मानते प्यारे बच्चे, good children, lovely children, always they will listen and do the work what elders will do, means whatever they will say they will never say no. Whatever elder people will say they will listen to them. नन्हे नन्हे प्यारे बच्चे, मदद करते प्यारे बच्चे. So good children, lovely children, always they help to others. Okay, they help to others. मीठा बोलते प्यारे बच्चे, good children, always they speak sweet and soft. Okay, so नन्हे नन्हे प्यारे बच्चे, सबकी आंखों के तारे. सच बोलते प्यारे बच्चे, कहना मानते प्यारे बच्चे. नन्हे नन्हे प्यारे बच्चे, मदद करते प्यारे बच्चे, मीठा बोलते प्यारे बच्चे. हंसते रहते प्यारे बच्चे. So lovely children, always they smile, laugh. क्रोध न करते प्यारे बच्चे, good children never get angry. जिद न करते प्यारे बच्चे, जिद न करते प्यारे बच्चे means good children, they never they should be rigid. हाँ, I want this, I want this. Good children never do that. Okay, मिलजुल कर, once again, जिद न करते प्यारे बच्चे, चुगली न करते प्यारे बच्चे. चुगली न करते प्यारे बच्चे means they never say bad about others. Okay, some children is there na, with teacher they will say, teacher see he is talking, he is doing like this. So good children never complain about others. चुगली न करते प्यारे बच्चे, सदा खुश रहते प्यारे बच्चे, and good children always they will be happy. झगड़ा न करते प्यारे बच्चे, and good children never fight with anyone. मिलजुल कर रहते प्यारे बच्चे, good children, lovely children, always they mingle with all children. Okay, they will mingle with all children. Mingle means they will share the things, they will talk to each other. Okay, कसरत करते प्यारे बच्चे, and good children always they do exercise. पार्क में खेलते प्यारे बच्चे, good children will play outside, they will go in park and they will play. If not a park, they will go outside and play. अच्छे लगते प्यारे बच्चे, and good children are everyone love them, like them. Okay, समय पर सोते प्यारे बच्चे, good children always they sleep on time. Okay, they never wake up late in the night. Okay, right time 9 o'clock 10 o'clock maximum they should sleep. समय पर जगते प्यारे बच्चे, and good children should get up early in the morning, not late. हाँ, 10 o'clock 11 o'clock they should not get up. Early in the morning 6 o'clock they should get up. So समय पर सोते प्यारे बच्चे, समय पर जागते प्यारे बच्चे. So good children they will sleep on time and they will get up all time. रोज पाठ पढ़ते प्यारे बच्चे, and good children always they study and they do their homework also. सबकी आंखों के तारे प्यारे बच्चे, and this type of children everyone love them. Okay, they are lovely to everyone. Okay, so what is the moral of the story? अच्छे बच्चे सदा सबको भाते हैं. Good mannered children are loved by all people, right? So if you are having a good manner, everybody will like you and love you. If you are having if you will not listen to anyone, if you will fight, if you will not speak to all people, then you are not a good children. Huh? Good children should do all those things, and if you will do all those things, people will love you. Okay children, now we will go for word meaning. First one, ma the madad. Ma the madad. Madad means help. HELP, help. madad, help. मीठा, म पे बड़ी की मात्रा मी, ठ पे आ की मात्रा ठा. मीठा, मीठा means sweet. You all like sweets? How is the sugar? Sweet, मीठा. How is gulab jamun? जहांगीरी, आलाद, मीठा. Banana, मीठा. So मीठा means sweet. क्रोध, क in क र is there, ओ की मात्रा, so क में र, क्र, and ओ की मात्रा क्रो. ध से धनुष, so क्रोध. क्रोध means anger. क्रोध means anger. ANGER, anger. Anger means क्रोध. मिलजुल कर, मिलजुल कर. मिलजुल कर means who is very easily mingle to all people, means they talk to each other. मिलजुल कर means together. TOGETHER, together. Together means मिलजुल कर. कसरत, कसरत. कसरत means exercise. कसरत means exercise. EXERCISE, exercise. Exercise means कसरत. समय, समय पर, समय पर. In or on time, in time or on time. Okay. आंखों के तारे, आ पे आ की मात्रा आ, and top चंद्र बिंदु is there, so it's become आ. ख पे ओ की मात्रा खो, and dot is there, so खो. आंखों के तारे, तारे, तारे. तारे means star. आंखों के तारे means lovely. Here आंखों के तारे means lovely. LOVELY, lovely. कहना मानना, कहना, कहना. मानना, मानना. कहना मानना. To obey, TO2OBEY, obey. To obey means कहना मानना. Like in house, if mummy is saying go study, that moment only you are going and studying, means कहना मानना. If you are saying no, I will go later, I will finish this work, I am playing, means that is not कहना मानना. You are not obeying your elders, or anyone is saying anything, you are not obeying. Okay. And if someone elder is saying anything and you are doing, means कहना मानना, to obey. Okay children, so this is your word meaning. You write in your classwork in your notebook. You have to write neat and clean. Okay children, now we will go for one word answer. Okay, one word answer. There are total 4 question answer is there. We will read. Okay. नन्हे बच्चे कैसे लगते हैं. नन्हे बच्चे कैसे लगते हैं. Little children, how they looks. नन्हे बच्चे प्यारे लगते हैं. नन्हे बच्चे प्यारे लगते हैं. So your answer will be प्यारे. प्यारे means lovely. प्यारे means lovely. Rest you have to copy from your question only. So instead of कैसे you can write प्यारे. Little children looks lovely. नन्हे बच्चे कैसे बोलते हैं. नन्हे बच्चे कैसे बोलते हैं. Little children, how they talk. बोलते हैं means talk. नन्हे बच्चे मीठा बोलते हैं. Little children, they speak sweet. मीठा means sweet. बोलते हैं means talk or speak. So नन्हे बच्चे मीठा बोलते हैं. Instead of कैसा you have to write मीठा. नन्हे बच्चे कहाँ खेलते हैं. कहाँ means where. खेलते हैं means play. So little children, where they play. नन्हे बच्चे पार्क में खेलते हैं. Little children are playing in park, not busy in mobile and TV whole day. Okay, good children are going in park or outside and they are playing. नन्हे बच्चे किसकी आंखों के तारे होते हैं. Little children, who love to them. नन्हे बच्चे सबकी आंखों के तारे होते हैं. Little and lovely children, everyone like them. Okay children, so this is your 4 question and answer. You have to write in your classwork. Okay. Okay children, now this is your long answer. Page number 27. This also you have to write in your book only. Okay, in your book question answer is there. Who is not having book, you write in your classwork. Okay, who is having the book, this question answer you complete in your book. Okay children, so shall we start. नन्हे बच्चे दूसरों की आंखों के तारे कैसे बनते हैं. Little children, how they are becoming lovely to everyone. How all people love them. What they are doing. Answer will be नन्हे बच्चे अपने व्यवहार के कारण सबकी आंखों के तारे बनते हैं. Little children, due to their good behavior, they will be loved by all people. Okay. क्या क्रोध करने वाले, जिद करने वाले और चुगली करने वाले बच्चे अच्छे होते हैं. A child who is doing a child who is getting too much anger, they are very rigid, always they complain about others. Is they are a good children? Answer will be नहीं. नहीं means no. इस तरह के बच्चों को कोई पसंद नहीं करता है. No, this type of children nobody loves. Okay, nobody loves this type of children ना. Third one, अच्छे बच्चों के 4 गुण बताइए. Tell 4 quality of good children. So what is the 4 quality of a good children? सच बोलना. First one, सच बोलना means saying the truth. मीठा बोलना, speaking sweet. क्रोध ना करना, not getting angry. सबका कहना मानना, obeying to all people. This 4th thing is the good quality of good children. Okay, this is the 4 quality of a good children. In same page, we will go for exercise number 2. Choose the words from the box and complete the lines from the poem. In the what poem we have read, some words they have given. And here in exercise, some words they have written. You have to select the correct word from yellow line and you have to fill here. Nanhe, nanhe. In this, any one you have to select. So I have select for you. This also you have to complete in your book. So nanhe, nanhe, here pyare will come. So pyare you have to write. Second one, sach. What will come? Bolte pyare bacche. Pyare bacche always say sach, truth. G. कहना प्यारे बच्चे. कहना मानते प्यारे बच्चे. बोलते प्यारे बच्चे. हाउ दे स्पीक? मीठा बोलते प्यारे बच्चे. सबकी के प्यारे बच्चे. सबकी आंखों के तारे बच्चे. So in this poem you have to select. Already I have select for you. Same thing you copy in your book also. Now we will go for antonyms. We will start antonyms. Only 2 antonyms in this lesson. Meetha. Meetha means sweet. Meetha means sweet. Opposite will be, vilom sabd will be kadwa. Kadwa. Kadwa means bitter. Kadwa means bitter. Bitter like a neem, pavka. Okay. These all are bitter. So meetha, kadwa. Second one, haste. Bilom sabd rote. Haste means laughing, smiling. Rote means crying. So only 2 is there. Easily you can memorize. Meetha, kadwa. Haste, rote. Okay. Now second one we will go for synonym. Synonym means in Hindi we will say paryayavachi. Paryayavachi means one word. Some other word also is there, but meaning will be the same. Okay. Bacche. Bacche means children. Bacche means children. What will be synonym? Bal. Bal means same, children. Balak, that is also children. So bacche, bal, balak. Khush. Khush means happy. Khush means happy. Prasanna. Pa, here one slash is there, means it will be pra, sa, half na, full na. So prasanna. Anandit. A, na, na पे अंग की मात्रा नन, द पे छोटी की मात्रा दी, and त. आनंदित. So खुश, प्रसन्न, आनंदित. All 3 is synonym. आंख. आंख means eyes. आंख means eye. लोचन, दृग, नयन. लोचन means eyes. दृग means eyes. Nayan means eyes. Okay. So all are the synonym of eyes. Aankh, lochan, drig, nayan. Tara. Tara means star. Tara means star. Sitara. Nakshatra. Tarak. Okay. So sitara, nakshatra, tarak, tara. All are synonym of tara, star. Okay. Now we will go for third one. Here अनेक शब्दों के लिए एक शब्द. Okay? अनेक शब्दों के लिए एक शब्द means instead of saying a sentence, you have to say one word. Okay? जो सच बोलता है. जो सच बोलता है means who is saying the truth. One word is सत्यवादी. Satyavadi, one word. So if you are saying Satyavadi means a person who is saying the truth. जो चुगली करता है, who is always complaining about others in backside. Okay. चुगलखोर. जो चुगली करता है, चुगलखोर. So one word will be चुगलखोर. So read proper. Definitely it will come in your exam. Next one. जो मीठा बोलता है means who talk sweet. मृदुभाषी, मृदुभाषी मीन्स हु इज टॉकिंग स्वीटली, सॉफ्टली. जो झगड़ा करता है, जो झगड़ा करता है मीन्स हु इज फाइटिंग, दैट इज झगड़ालू. सो जो झगड़ा करता है झगड़ालू. वन मोर आई हैव रिटन फॉर यू. जो परोपकार करता है मीन्स हु इज डूइंग अ गुड वर्क, दैट इज परोपकारी. सो चिल्ड्रन, this one read proper, definitely it will come in your exam. Now we'll go for exercise number 4. Okay, exercise number 4. Here some words they have given, here some words are there and two part they have given. गंदे बच्चे, अच्छे बच्चे, good children and bad children. Okay, good children and bad children. So in this only you have to search who is good children, who is bad children. So bad children this side you have to write and good children this side you have to write. गंदे बच्चे means bad boys, अच्छे बच्चे means good boys. So here your bad boys will come, here good boys will come. Okay, आलसी, bad boys how they will be? Lazy. आलसी means lazy. Good children how they will be? प्यारे, lovely. Next I have pick up from here, क्रोध करना. Bad boys, bad children, always they will get angry. Good children, सच बोलना. Good children always they will speak truth. गंदे बच्चे, bad children, what they will say? झूठ बोलना. झूठ बोलना means always they will say the lie. Good children, what they will do? आदर करना. They respect the others or respect the elder people. मनमानी करना. Bad boys what they will say? Always they will do whatever they want, that is good or bad, that doesn't matter for them. They will do always bad thing. मनमानी करना means they will not listen to, they will not obey to elders. हंसते रहना. Good children what they will do? Always they will smile, they never get angry. Bad boys what they will do? जिद करना. जिद करना means they will not listen to parents, they will say I want this, I want this. Either they don't know this is a good for them or bad for them, but they will say I want this, I want this. This is a bad thing. So bad children is having this quality. Good children, mehanati. Mehanati means they are very hard working. Always they will do hard work, means lot of work they will do. शैतानी करना. शैतानी करना means naughty. Here it's written shaitan, top it's written shaitan. Okay, शैतानी करना means naughty. All naughty things they will do, they will destroy the thing, that is a bad children. समय के पाबंद. Good children what they will do? Always on time or in time they will finish their work. Okay children, so this is your today work. Next page children, some riddles is there. Okay, your page number 31, some riddles is there. You have to write. First one, मेरे नाम का पहला अक्षर क है. My name first letter is क. मुझसे तुम लिखते हो and you are writing with me. What is that? Two options they have given here. तुम पेंसिल हो, तुम कलम हो. So answer will be kalam because first letter is ka and you are writing with that, so tum kalam ho. Correct answer. Okay, second one, मैं आकाश में उड़ता हूँ. I am flying in the sky. मैं पानी बरसाता हूँ and I am doing rain also. So what is that? Is that smoke or cloud? Cloud. So answer will be बादल. Third one, मैं फूलों का रस पीती हूँ. मैं वन उपवन में उड़ती हूँ. मैं रंग बिरंगी सुंदर हूँ. I am sucking the nectar from the flower. I will fly in the garden and I am having a different color. Lot of color I am having. So who is that? तुम चिड़िया हो या तुम तितली हो? This is a bird or butterfly? This is a तितली. तितली means butterfly. Butterfly is having different color and she will suck the nectar from the flower and she will be in the garden. Fourth one, मैं टिक टिक कर चलती हूँ. मैं समय बताती हूँ. When I will walk, टिक टिक noise will come and I will say the time. What is that? तुम घंटी हो. This is the bell. और तुम घड़ी हो. This is the watch. So this is the clock or watch. When clock it's running, noise will come tick 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 and they will say the time. Okay children, so whatever today I taught you, in your book complete the exercise, and in your classwork you have to write one word question answer and word meaning. Okay children, so complete your all book exercise and classwork. Thank you children, have a good day.